In this video, we are going to see how you can use a tool called BuzzSumo for content marketing and how you can use this tool to beneficially create effective content for your own brand or business. So let's get started. So let's find out what exactly is BuzzSumo. So if you don't know about the tool BuzzSumo is a content marketing tool. Obviously, it's an online tool. It has a lot of data, whether if you are in marketing niche or else tech niche, in whatever niche if you are in, this will help you in creating effective content. Let me show you how. So first you have to just visit buzzsumo.com. Once you have arrived, they do have a 30-day free trial. They give you 30-day, they're all premium features to use, because once you have used this 30-day free trial, obviously you will go and purchase it. So as you can see in their homepage, it exactly showed find the content that performs best in whatever your country is. It do have an option of all over the world. If you are sitting in India and if you want to see the data of US or Germany, in whichever country, you can see that. You just have to enter a keyword or a domain name to get data. It's like a SEO tool as well, but it is trying to get into SEO, because right now they have also used a keyword section in which you can get to know about a keyword. It's like a SEO thing, but right now it is in beta. You can try it. As you can see, why to use BuzzSumo. It is helpful in discovering high performing content. As I said, that it will be very beneficial for your brand or whatever, for whoever you are creating content for. Discovery, research, it helps in researching the content, as well as influencers. Yes, if you're trying to advertise, if you have the budget, advertising budget, if you're trying to target the influencers, whoever in your niche, whether it's like a Twitter, YouTube, or else even authors as well. So it has options as well. And monitoring, Google Alerts type monitoring, it is better than Google Alerts. I will talk about that. And here you can find out what these people already know. Like, yeah, some case studies, you can check out that, and people who are already using it. One is from HubSpot as well. So it is helpful, and it is a very well-known popular content marketing tool, which you can surely check it out, because it is 30-day free trial. So I'm not saying you to purchase this. Yeah, and one disclaimer I have to say to you, BuzzSumo haven't paid me anything to promote this tool. Actually, I'm not promoting it, but I'm just reviewing it tool because it may help a lot of people. So this video isn't sponsored, neither it is affiliated. Alright, so now let's see how you can use this tool for your own benefits. So first you just have to click on a 30-day free trial. Once you have clicked on a 30-day free trial, it will ask you to log in or sign up with Facebook or Google. Once you have done, you also have to do a phone number verification. So once you have completed that, then you will be landing on this page. On this page you have 3 sections. Discover new ideas. As I said, that it is a very good content marketing tool. It will really help you if you want help with discovering new ideas. If you are not good at brainstorming, this will also help you. It will show you what are the content right now trending in your niche, and also it has the option of monitoring. So that's a good thing. You can monitor your competitors as well. So discover new ideas, research popular content, and find top influencers. We have already discussed that. So once you have clicked on, for example, I want to get more ideas, so I will click on topics, and in this topic I will what will I do? Yeah, I will like best way to increase traffic. Okay, they had said me to use a keyword, but it's like a long tail keyword. Let's see what the data it gives us. All right. So as you can see that I have used a long tail keywords. They have also suggested that use or search for multiple keywords. So I haven't done that. I just typed in the best way to increase website traffic. I haven't used the term website as well. So as you can see, the increase blog traffic, website traffic, web traffic. Now you will be saying that we will also get that in the SEO tool. Yes, but here's here's what it is known for. Here you can see what are the best headlines which is right now trending as well. How to increase your blog traffic, 5 best ways. This is the content ideas, and this is already been used by someone. So once you click on insights and content ideas, they will show you what are the insights, content, questions as well. Yes, I forgot to use the term question. They to collect question from Quora, Reddit, and many other forums as well, where real humans are communicating and trying to get answers from the social media. So this will be really helpful for you as well, because there might be some future customers of you. As you can see, here are the articles. 56 articles were published in March 20, in the total engagement of 2605. As I said that it has a lot of data, and as you can see, day by day the number of articles kept on decreasing. You can click on view analysis report for getting, let me check it out right now only. It will show you what type of a content, what should be the length of your content, and also in which social media platform the content is getting the most engagement from as well. As you can see, total engagement 49 articles, average engagement, as I said that it also has the average engagement by network, that is social networks. So Facebook has a lot of engagement, average engagement by content types. Yes, whether it's like a video, listicles, or else all content. Total engagement by the day published, it suggests you the best day to publish as well, which is for this keyword Monday is I know that it doesn't matter a lot, but according to the data you have to follow the rules and regulations as well for better benefits. All right, so average engagement by the content length. The keyword which I inputted was a long tail keyword, so it wasn't a proper keyword, but the data which BuzzSumo has is saying like 1000 to 2000 words of article. And reactions is like a beta, so it doesn't have a lot of reactions as well. A domain, which is like top domains, which is obviously YouTube is on the top pieces of content by engagement. They do have pieces of content. This will be helpful for you in getting the catchy headlines as well. You can see a lot of headlines which are used by the people who are right now ranking for this keyword. All right, so we have discovered some ideas, and let's check out some new stuff. Questions. Okay, let's see questions. If I'm searching questions of how to do SEO, oh, I misspelled it. All right, it caught very well. How to do SEO as the search, and you can see Reddit forum submit express. I said that it collects data from a lot of forums. So these are the questions which real humans are asking. There aren't any bots which will be typing in forums, going and typing in forums for getting replies. So these are the real humans which, and for example, how to do SEO. How do you get your articles on top stories in Google search? Does it have to do with adding AMP? That might be a good content idea, and it's also a benefit content which you can create for your customer as well. So at the end, you just have to create a content which will help your consumer. So when you provide them value, it will be really good for creating your own brand. They will, and for example, if I am searching for a keyword how to do SEO for my website, what would I use to get some free traffic? You can create content on it if you know about the how your content can help him as well. So there's a lot of opportunities if you are using this tool, and they do have. Right, so let's get back on the home page, and right now let's research the popular content which is right now popular. We'll go to web, because we can also check the content which are popular on YouTube as well. So on web, here we'll type content marketing. That's it. I think so it will be a proper keyword. As you can see, it will show you the content which are right now popular for the term content marketing, and also show you the engagement. This article have got around 36.7k engagement. So it I think so it is showing by the largest engagement which the keyword have got, and it have around 28,000 of results. So there's a lot of data which once again you can use for your own benefits as well. Let's check on YouTube. Okay, So the same keyword I'm right now putting on the YouTube section as well, content marketing. It's getting the data. All right, it I have already got. Here's are the okay. So you have to upgrade if you want to see the YouTube content, because it's right now the new thing. The ultimate content marketing strategy for 2020 is like a how to style. It also categorize it as well. And Indonesia Content Marketing Forum, this is the education advert, like they have a lot of data as well. Right now you have to upgrade for getting more, but as you can see there are a lot of data, even in YouTube section as well. Backlink sections, as I said, that they are trying to get into SEO as well. For example, if I'm putting youtube.com, I know that it will be millions of backlinks, but you can put any keyword and you will get about the backlinks. It is taking some time to get the data. All right, it has the data, and as you can see 2.7 million engagement for the backlink for YouTube. So it has a lot of stuff which you can use. We have discovered new ideas, we have researched popular content, and let's find out if I have to advertise to or else sponsor any influencer, what could I do? Here also same keyword, content marketing. It will show you the profile which includes content marketing. That will be really helpful for you. You can like filter it out, but you can filter about the shared articles, forum, or about. So I would like to include the term content marketing. So I would like to know about who is right now doing content marketing in the profile section. All right, so this is a guy who is doing content marketing. All right, not only Twitter, but it also has Instagram as well. So yeah, the influencers, you have to like contact him. I just go on Twitter, input his username, and I can hit him up. All right, so now let's go to the monitoring section as well. Let's see if they provide monitoring section in the free trial as well. Yep, they have. You can watch the tutorial videos as well for getting more information. And for example, I have to create an alert on brands. Brand name, I'll like, oh, this is an alert name, so I will like, hey, it's me. It's like a alert name. You can set it whatever you want. What is the brand you want to monitor? For example, if I have to monitor the brand Nike results, I would like to use a term shoes, because that's what it is known for. And you can also put the keyword which it shouldn't include in that section. And how would you like to be alerted? What are the time you would like to receive an email? You can put that, and you just have to create an alert. That's it. It is a way better than Google Alerts. And you can also create projects as well. You can create, curate, and export. So once again, BuzzSumo, a very good tool, and I recommend you to use it for yourself as well. Thank you for watching this video.